Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to transfer contacts from Android to iPhone after setup. Are you having trouble that your old Android phone is not transferring your contacts to iPhone after setup? Don't worry, in this video we will help you find a solution for it. Just follow these easy steps. Step 1. Go to App Store and install the app Smart Switch. Open the app. After opening, you will be able to see three menus named Send, Receive and Phone Switch. Click on Phone Switch. Make sure you also install this app on your old Android device. After that, select the option New Phone, Import data from old phone. Click on it. Now choose the option Receive from Android. After clicking it, you can enter your details manually or scan the QR code present on your old Android device. After establishing a successful connection, you will be able to see the types of data you want to transfer. Click on Contacts and you're good to go.